I guess today I want to do a quick unboxing and review on my new digital to analog converter cable. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, but let's go ahead and take a look. So you got your manual and the actual cable itself. So if it needs power through an outlet, you have that right there. And then the actual cable itself, like I said, it is a 10-footer. All right, so it's got the USB, which you can just plug this into like your TV or anything else that can give it power. And if it's not enough, then you can just plug it into this. And then these are all gold plated as well, so that is very nice. There we go. Very, very nice cable, very sturdy cable. This will work good like if you're trying to hook up maybe like your PS4 to like some of your devices that don't have digital on there, and it requires more like the RCA style like this. This will convert it all for you. So very nice. So let's go ahead and hook it up and see what it actually looks like. I'm gonna grab my PS4 and see if we can hook it up to maybe like some headphones or something like that. All right, so I got my PS4 here. So now you just want to take your optical cable and then plug it into that portion of the PS4. There it goes. And then you're gonna want to get power for it. So since I don't have one here, I will have to plug this into the wall. So luckily, like I said, they give you the adapter for it. So I'll plug that in. We have like an amp, some speakers, or in this case, even maybe headphones. Like I said, it also has the auxiliary on the other end. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into here. Now it will literally work and you'll get all the sound being transmitted onto here at super high quality. Like I said, it doesn't just have to be used for the PS4, I just used it for this example, but you can use it with like TVs, amps, headphones. As you can see, it's super easy to use, super easy to set up. It's definitely an ideal situation if you're not looking to fully upgrade your entire sound system or anything like that. It does support 192 kilohertz 24-bit, which means it'll deliver nice, clean, crisp audio. And like I said, it was super easy to set up. So if you're looking to not have to upgrade your entire system and just looking for an easy solution, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.